Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Rafe West. I wanted to make this video to give a message to all you financial channels out there, gurus, financial channels, all you guys that talk about financial stuff all the time. And I want you guys to take this into consideration. I want you guys to be careful about what you say, because with the whole GameStop thing and the battle against Wall Street bets and stuff, and you know how you guys have like trolls in your comments on your videos and things like that, then what makes you think for a second that there's not some infiltration going on in your groups by someone from a hedge fund creating an account and being in your groups, even in your paid groups? At least make it harder for them. Okay, if they're in your paid group, fine. And so they get a feel for what's out there. They get a feel, they get a consensus of what's out there. Okay, I'm pretty sure with social media out there that it's not completely ignored, that financial institutions plant someone in there to listen to what you guys are doing. Bullish on Tesla? Okay, here we go. We're going to dump it on their ass. They are in there. Okay, I've heard from my sources that they are in there, so don't be surprised if there's at least one or more infiltrators from a hedge fund in your group, paid or not, especially your free stuff. They're in there, they're targeting these videos, they're watching to see what you guys are doing, buy, Tesla, all this and that. They're in there. No one mentions it. You mentioned the trolls getting annoyed. Don't feed the trolls. So all these people that are doing live streams about the markets now and things like that, they're in there. Okay? They're in there. I've heard from my sources, they're in there. Okay? And it's a good source that I can't reveal. They're in there. They're targeting these videos. They're watching for people. Okay. They're watching for people in these places, watching to see what you're saying. And then times like this, you guys wonder why everything's going down in tandem, things like that. So don't wonder. Just know that they're in the midst. That's what they're doing. That's their latest stuff. They've probably been doing it for a while, but they're in there. So I'm not saying keep your mouths totally shut, but watch what you say. I know you're supposed to keep your good stuff for your premium service, for your premium stuff, and that's good, but they might be in there as well. That's why like an audit of your group would be good. That would be a good idea, and to maybe gather more information if you want, as much as is legal to do, to find out who's in your group. So yeah, you guys gotta be careful. Keep your mouth shut a little bit. Watch what you say, because these are the moments where they are capitalizing on all information that they continuously gather, on your groups. All right. This is from the desk of Rafe West, one of my sources. I talk a little bit of finance here, but since I've been tipped off to this, I'm always careful on what I say anyway. And I'm a small channel. I don't have a lot of people in the midst yet. I don't have the haters yet. I'm still looking for the haters and things like that. So I'm in that stage. But hopefully you guys hear this. Hopefully this gets out to you financial channels to be a little more careful, because they are in the midst. Infiltration is happening. All right. So if you want more information like this, consider subscribing. Give me a thumbs up. And I will catch you guys another time. This is Rafe West. All right. Peace.